is happening? Wait. Stop it. Samuel. I got it on my own.
Yeah.
What?
I don't think I have enough momentum, bro. Right here. Up! You fucking fat pig!
Wee!
Stop grabbing the fucking cage, Samuel.
It's so fun.
Jump on to. Go.
Oh shit. Can we do this? Where are you, Samuel?
Over here. What do you want, bro?
What are you doing?
I'm trying.
Oh! Fuck!
Shit.
Come on! My whole mouse is covered in
Samuel,
sweat
don't
from
you
just
dare.
playing this shit.
Samuel, don't you
Fucking
dare.
Samuel.
Samuel, don't you fucking dare.
You motherfucker, bro.
Samuel!
Fuck away from me.
I'm making it! Ah! Okay.
Did you make it?
No!
Move, Samuel!
Oh, I got it! Samuel! Samuel! Oh my god. Hey! Hey, Samuel! My god! Oh, you dumbass!
I'm gonna guess you both died from this random hook standing here. Shit.
No, just Samuel. I'm on here. Okay, one more row. One more row. One more swing.
I think I need one more.
Whee! Oh, fucking hell. No!
Come on! Get up! Trevorley's! Up!
Yeah.
Let's go! Get out of here! Let's go! Leave that person!
Yeah. I did first try, Nia. You suck.
Shut up!
They call me.
Okay, let's watch Nia jump in this. Yep. Thank you.
This ammo kind of heavy.
Yeah, how the fuck did you move this log so good?
Okay, where do you put it? Where do you put it?
This way.
Samuel, I don't think that's the way. You bitch. Get over here.
No. Heavy booty.
Yo, I cannot pull you. You're too fat. What the fuck is this? I'm trying.
Red. You suck.
You're so stupid.
I'll do it myself then. Jesus
Nia is
fucking Christ.
bullying me.
Samuel, help me.
Hey, I got you.
Grab the other end. Yeah, get the fuck off the board. If you're gonna lift it, why the fuck would you be on it?
I didn't mean to accident. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, what is this device called?
A ramp. Oh my gosh, I learned this in chemistry, guys.
What is this device called? A ramp.
I can't
That's your fault, Nia. You look stupid. Okay, I think that's the closest we can get it, yeah? Wait, should I leave it? And then... I think that's the highest angle we can get, probably. And then where'd you throw the anvil? You motherfuckers, you put all the way... Should I put it closer?
Well, it is close. I'll help you.
This
You want the log more back?
I need it.
Come on, climb, 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 climb.
Wait, okay, wait. There's a way to do it. Trust. Watch this shit. You do the grab and pull, grab and pull, grab and pull.
Oh,
Oh, Nia almost got it.
I actually almost
Try
got
move it in more. Move it up more. Move up the log. Try move the log back and then the plank up. Nia, what the fuck are you grabbing, Nia?
I grabbed the
What
Log
the fuck
back?
were you grabbing there, Nia?
plank. I accidentally grabbed the plank.
Okay, wait. Okay, that's at the highest we can get it. It's the most unstable thing I've ever seen.
That was Nia's fault.
I'm trying. Okay, that's
I'll
not
try
my bad.
harder.
There, that's more stable. There you go, that's pretty doable. Come on! Come on! Get the fuck off me!
Oh wait, no, I need to
An
push.
anvil fell off.
Fuck.
Wait, I'm
Fuck.
trying to push the thing backwards.
Let's get this fucking whole plank off first. Right here. Okay. Grab the other side of the plank. Ready? Grab up. Don't move your keys. Motherfucker. Get Samuel's fat ass. Okay. Okay, and then put the anvil on. This is the highest we can get it, probably. Just throw the anvil on. Okay. Now we go. Oh, come on! Come on! Come on! The corner, grab the corner side. That little corner.
Oh fuck. Ah!
Go, Samuel. I think we gotta do it. Put it more closer. Hold on. Let me try to lift this bottom side. See if. Okay, wait. Take the anvil off again. Okay. Now drive it in. Okay. Is it against the wall? Keep putting it against the wall, Nia. Just keep pulling it to the wall.
Wait, what to the wall?
The plank. Just keep pulling the plank to the wall. Okay, is it against the wall?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that
The
higher?
anvil is on. No, it's closer though, so that the anvil is.
Samuel, what are you doing?
Try to go.
I can't with Samuel.
Wait, Samuel actually
Oh, Samuel?
gets feel Samuel's mouth like eating like.
Come on, come on.
Go Nia. Yeah, you didn't jump an inch. What the fuck, move? Yeah, you didn't even jump.
I'm trying!
Samuel, move! Okay, wait. We can definitely can. Yeah, grab that corner.
Oh,
Yes! Yes!
Oh shit, oh shit,
No.
oh shit.
You,
Oh shit.
Nia, you.
I didn't
you
move it. I
fucking
didn't move
useless
it.
son of a
I don't-
bitch!
I didn't
You
move it.
son of
I
a
didn't-
bitch!
It dropped on its own. Wait, I'm gonna try to pull
Are
it
we
this
just
way.
saying oops?
I didn't say oops. I'm trying to move.
Okay, go. Get on there, Samuel. Okay. Just get on that corner and run.
That's not my fault.
Samuel! You... Fat fuck!
Carry me to success.
I'm not even... I'm fucking going. I'll grab whoever comes.
Nia, you.
No, I'm trying
I
to
hear you.
fix it.
Oh, wait, hold on, sorry, I didn't even see. Go! Go, let go! Yes! Okay, go, Nia, come on.
Let me put the thing up.
Nia looks like an oriental mom. What is your name?
Oh, I made it! Oh my god!
Let go. Let go.
I let
Samuel, you back into me. I swear to God. Let go, Nia.
I am like so. I just
Thank
like
you. All right.
Samuel!
Fucking Samuel backed into me. I would have uninstalled the game.
Samuel! Samuel! Samuel!
Oh.
Oh, no!
Help.
No!
Help.
You bitch! Stop it! Let go of me! Let go of me! Ow! Oh my god! Okay.
Did you guys fall?
Samuel,
No.
but it's just like that! You fooled me! Fuck, bitch.
That's tough.
There's a hole down here. I'm gonna go down the hole. Good luck, guys. Oh no.
Huh?
Don't go down the hole. Don't go down the hole. Oh.
I already went down the
Yeah.
hole.
went
Oh.
down.
Fucking.
Oh?
Okay, I got it. All right, nice guys. Good shit. All
You know,
right, nice.
it was me. I
yeah.
jumped from over there down here.
You motherfucker! I knew you. I was gonna say I saw this and I'm like, I think it's just loaded already. I don't know what you're supposed to do. That's probably an Easter egg, I think.
I don't know.
No, you're supposed to jump here from there.
No, let me. Samuel, let me! Like,
I am letting you.
no,
I
you're
hear you.
not! Samuel, let go.
Huh?
I'm ready.
The fuck? Is that it? Now pull it.
Bah! Okay, I grab this thing and I pull it down.
Oh!
You're
Oh!
Oh,
Oh!
all right. Oh, we needed that.
Who's pulling? Samuel, what the fuck are you doing?
Wait, we need this metal plank. We need this plank here. I'm coming with the plank. Make way, Samuel. And then pull it up.
Wait.
Pull it up. Okay.
I'm pulling back.
Okay. I'm gonna jump and then we're gonna force feed it in. Okay. Fuck.
Wait, try pull it.
Sam, you're gonna help her. You know, you're just gonna sit over there and keep loading the fucking championship.
I am helping.
Okay.
Oh, it's
And then
stuck.
keep
Is-
trying-
is it- Oh no, it's not. I can't
Fucking
pull it.
just
I can't
get
pull it
up.
any higher.
Maybe maybe you gotta get under it.
Do I have to hold it while someone gets on it?
Yeah, you get under it. Go under it, and then lift it up.
Oh yeah.
Try to go, and then go under, and then like go more in. Go more in from where I am. Go to me. Walk to me, and then hold it up. Okay, not this way. Under from underneath the thing. From underneath.
Sorry, I got confused.
You motherfucker, Samuel.
Am I
Okay,
not-
wait, okay, and then hold it underneath, okay? We're gonna walk it in. Okay, wait, you're at the angle, okay. Now walk up more.
Samuel.
One fucking job and you spent all that goddamn time. Where did it get you? Yes. Okay, get more in. If you can get more in, it'll go.
Wait, holding my hand.
Fuck off.
I'm trying.
No!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
I'm gonna fucking kill myself.
Something.
Stop loading the fucking trebuchet, Samuel.
Oh no!
Samuel, you know you
Fine.
should have done with your character model, Samuel. You should have had white lines to make it look like teeth. Dude, that shit would be so funny.
I
Here,
should
you
have.
ready?
How did you do the catapult thing by yourself, Samuel?
You
I'm
ready?
built different.
Okay.
Okay. Grab the bottom end, Nia.
Oh shit!
You fucking just.
I thought you wanted me
Oh
to
my
grab,
God.
I thought you wanted me to grab the middle one. Oh shit!
No, you guide me in. That's what she said. Or no, that's.
That's what the
that's not
guy.
what she
Wait.
said.
The guys with the.
Nia, what
guy
did you say to the other guy? Oh,
Nothing.
cut that from the
Where
video.
is it?
I said nothing.
Is it in yet? Cut.
She's not cutting it.
Samuel, what the fuck? Are you
Okay,
doing?
okay. Guide me in. Guide me in. Okay, I'm gonna walk backwards. Okay.
What are you trying to do?
Put it in the fucking hole. Why are you laughing? Get Samuels.
Wait, here, let me try.
Get the end. Yeah, grab the end.
Wait, which
Okay.
end? This one? Okay.
Yeah. So you can straighten me out. Straighten it out. Straighten out. Straighten out. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Tell me when you straighten it out. Okay. Now guide it. Guide me. Guide me. Guide me. Guide me.
Okay.
Just back.
Yeah,
Went back. Okay. How close are we?
Kinda.
Samuel, you land on this fucking log. I swear to God.
No, keep going back, keep going back. I'm gonna try and make it so we get the thing. Samuel, I swear to God. Keep going back.
Have it as up as I can and back.
Oh no, we touched it. How do we make it go up?
That's what she said.
I think that's what actually Samuel try and get up. Try and land on it. and
Is
see-
Samuel on it?
No. Samuel! Samuel!
I swear to God, I can't see this.
Samuel, what are you trying to do? Wait, should we? Okay, move to your left. I mean, move to your right, so we can pick up Samuel real quick, and then move back.
Hmm?
Move a bit more to your left. Oh shit, Samuel! Oh shit, it's falling! It's falling. Okay, try drop on it, Samuel. Can you wait? Move back. Wait, go
No,
back.
it's not gonna. We're not heavy. We're not strong enough for that.
Oh wait, no fucking way, Samuel. There's no way.
Did he get it? Did he get it?
He got it.
Did he get it?
He fucking got
Okay,
it.
open the fucking gate. Open the gate. Open the gate. Open the gate. Open the gate.
Where's that open door? Oh,
Oh.
oh.
Oh no, it's a whole boat skate. Get to the boat. Get to the boat. Get to the boat. Get to the boat. My God. Go, 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 Simon. Go, 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 go. Start it, start it, start it.
Hey! Don't leave me!
Wait, go right, go right, go right, go right.
How do I go right?
I don't know. I'm paddling on my side. Let me paddle my side. Let me paddle my side. There you go, there you go. I'm paddling. Okay, now paddle both. It's the worst paddling I've ever seen in my life. Paddle your side. Samuel.
Samuel! Front and
I'm
back,
trying.
front and back, front and back.
Are you safe? Okay.
Abandon ship, abandon ship. Samuel,
Okay.
you have a floaty. Jump. Samuel! I swear on God, that's why I look like me if I ever do that. I'm too fucking skinny.
Go fuck away
Oh,
from me.
I like this boat.
Samuel!
I have it.
We die.
Samuel, oh my God.
Why did we get this boat instead of the other boat?
Move, Samuel. Oh shit.
This fucking water, you fat pig.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, if we all die, we can't do good. Oh, fuck it.
Oh shit. I'm living.
Oh my God, now it's only Sam on the fucking boat.
Oh, hello. Wait, fuck.
Let me up.
Oh shit. Why are you dying? There's no fucking way Samuel got. Oh my God.
What do you mean? I'm good.
Oh my God, we have a speedboat now.
I have a speedboat. Why does it not work?
I wonder why.
Don't move the rudder. Don't move the rudder, okay? I'm gonna move it out to sea, okay? Let go of the fucking motor.
Yeah, get it?
Someone else help me pull.
Okay, I got you. What the fuck was that noise?
My
Samuel.
part. Oh shoot.
Samuel, help!
I'm pushing.
I'm off the ground already.
Why are we going
Okay,
the
now we
wrong
go-
way?
Go,
Oh,
go,
no.
go.
Okay, now
I'm
we get
holding
on
the back.
here.
Yo,
Chop
who's
Samuel's
blocking the
face
bottom?
off.
That's me. Samuel, what are you doing?
I'm trying to push it
Push
back
it all the way.
in.
Push it all the way, Samuel.
I don't
Someone's
think.
not
I'll help you,
helping
I'll help you, I'll
Nia.
help you.
Oh my god! I think it's better if we pull it.
Okay, pull it then.
I'm
Yeah,
trying.
keep pulling.
Yeah, Nia, keep pulling.
Am I gonna drown?
We're almost in, we're almost in, we're almost in. No, 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 I think you're fine.
I died. Samuel, what the fuck? Oh no no no
Go,
no! no.
go, Samuel,
no,
go, Samuel, go!
hey!
Go, Samuel! Samuel, steer!
Bye bye.
We're getting there. The kid Nia leaving her. Bye, Nia.
Bye bye.
Nia.
Bye bye.
We'll get you there, don't worry. You just
Michael
full
will get
throttle
you
this
there.
thing. Samuel's just something.
I have the Tiger King outfit.
I'm so confused by these controls.
I think they're
Are these
okay.
like tank controls?
I don't know.
Cause look,
Samuel,
okay, I'm gonna
do you?
turn off this one, and then we're gonna drag left or right. They're tank controls.
boy.
Yeah.
Motherfucker, I thought they're a fucking regular car. We could have gotten you there a lot sooner, Nia, if I knew that. Sam didn't tell me.
Hello.
Fuck away from me.
Hello.
Hold on, we're almost there.
Hello.
Get the fuck away from me.
Hello.
Get the fuck away from me. Okay, hold on.
So what you
Why is this thing so
doing?
slow? Get the fuck. Useless pig. I'm gonna catch you. Never mind. Alright, everybody get on this raft, I guess. Okay, ready? Everyone jump on it in 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Perfect, perfect. Alright. Yeah, okay. There you go. And I'm push it in. Okay. 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 Are we moving? Yeah, we're moving.
Samuel.
Samuel's fat ass was trying to put. Oh fuck, Samuel. Oh shit! Grab onto the thing. Oh my god.
Ah! Samuel. Okay.
I'll bring one over here. Yeah.
I drowned.
Of
Good
course.
for you. Unsupervised child. Should change these videos to watch the mother and her 2 sons just trifle through this horrible fucking map.